Hello everyone, today we are going to see demo on the Jest. So Jest is a testing framework for a JavaScript language. It also supports the TypeScript. I have created one small demo app called Todo, which is made using React in front end and Node in backend. So I will going to demonstrate how to run a test using Jest in this app. I have also already written some test cases for this application in the Jest. So you can find the project in my GitHub repo. I will share you the link in the description box. You can get the code via zipping, or if you have a Git installed in your machine, then you can use HTTPS to install to download the project. So I will go with the Git. Git clone the repo. It will going to download the project. So our project is downloaded. Let me open the VS Code. I will show you the whole structure of the application. So this is the structure of my application. I have one front end and backend folder. Front end is written in React and backend is written in Node. So first of all, we are going to install the Node packages for the front end and backend. So for the Node modules, you have to the Node is a requirement for this project. So you have to install the Node before installing the npm packages. So first go to the front end. First open the Todo application, then go in the front end folder and write the npm install. It will going to install all Node modules required in the application. We will start installing the Node modules for the backend as well. So we navigate to the backend folder and write the same command npm install. It will going to get all the required npm packages, so it is installed. So after that, starting up the backend, you have to write one command npm run dev. It will start the Node server. After we will start the front end, the same command will be applied here, npm run dev. You will get the link for the front end. So our front end is working now. So I will give you the intro of the application. It is a simple application. It has two functionality. One is login. Via this, user can log in and log out from the app. And another one is a to-do application functionality, in which user can create, edit, or do or undo the task and delete the task. So let's say this is task 1, task 2. I will add this task. I will do or undo the task, means check or uncheck the task. I can also edit the task and delete the task. So this is a simple application. I have written the test cases in the Jest. For the front end, you will get the all test cases in the src folder. Under that folder, you will find another folder called tests. In this folder, you will get all the test cases. I have written the 3 test cases: snapshot, login, and to-do app. In login test case, the login functionality is tested, and in the to-do test, the main core functionality of the to-do application is tested, like creating a task, done or undone the task, rename the task or delete the task. So now we are going to see how you can run a particular test file in Jest. So first open the terminal. So I will demonstrate in the front-end application. First go to the front-end application. After that you have to write npm run test login test.jsx and hit enter. It will going to run a logging test file. See that our test cases is passed and the result is shown in the terminal. So after that this will run only one file. For running all the test cases present in your project, you have to run npm run test and hit enter. It will find all the file which contain the test cases, or we can say the ending with the test.jsx, and it will run the test cases in it and give the result. The same you can done in the backend. cd backend and run the npm run test. It will going to run the all test cases present in the backend application. I will show you the backend test cases. So in the backend you will get one folder called tests. In that folder you will find 3 test cases. So currently it is the result for the test cases is here in the terminal. We can generate the coverage report. For that you have to front-end and backend have different command to check out the coverage report. For backend you have to write npm run test then dash dash coverage. It will generate the coverage report. It will first run all the test cases and check the files, and after that it will give you the report. It will show that how many files are covered under the test cases and how many are not, and it will give you the branch also, and it will give you the percentage, that how many percentage of code is tested and how many not. You can generate same report in the front end, but the command is different. So we will first go to the front end repo, and that after we will run npm run coverage. It will run all the test cases, and after that it will generate the coverage report. It is same like the backend one, in which you will get the how many files are tested and how many files are not. That's it. So for the setting for the Jest, you have to install just npm install Jest. That's it. And for the configuration, you have to configure one thing in package.json. You have to put this line, test is equal to Jest. So when you run npm run test, it will run all the test present in your project. That's it. Thank you.